And there they are, Max Verstappen, Lando Norris, and Rusty. Whilst they continue to come out further behind, a couple of things that are really interesting about there's 5 different winners from the last 5 Grand Prix here. We're on for a 6 different winner from 6 Grand Prix. But the other big one, we talk about the importance of Mercedes has been extremely impressive, Rusty. George Russell yesterday was saying how get back to all for those 10 laps. So time, remember, 33 laps on this tyre, 26 for Lando Norris. That is how much, so the gap, 7 laps younger are the tyres for Lando Norris. Now Stroll, overly impressed. The team's trying to keep him motivated.
With Paul Simpson's the radio there, but I reckon that Max again showing struggling to pull the car up in a couple of
Between here and that, behind it, it's actually really impressive. Not done with it yet, because Verstappen's got that to just up the road from him. Or 2 seconds. Back to Oscar Piastri. It's 1.1 between Verstappen and Norris. As we near the end of the Singapore Grand Prix, I wonder. This performance by Olivier in the top 10 at the moment, and the squad the drivers got Azerbaijan. Who completes the team?
Number 2, he's seen the blue flag, so he has X amount of time. Corners he needs to get out of the way. So we'll move over shortly. But if you get in the right spot, we'll make it easy.
Conversation in the press conference the other day. I mean, pole position, potential win here. 6 tenths down. Oscar's not been able to turn any further. Still hovering at about 3. He's trying to clear Hector in the back right now. He gets it done. The
George Russell, unbelievable drive. He's driving the weekend and thinking about from qualifying his commitment and focus. Verstappen has to be in the equation. They're driving with a car that is struggling on its tyres. He starts on a soft compound tyre. He's had downshift issues, balance issues, and he's been able to keep McLaren at bay.